Hi there, this is Sherry. Last month I shared with you a really energizing breath practice. So this month I want to share a breath practice that's really calming and soothing. This one also can help build up the kind of capacity of the lungs as well as let our nervous system feel calm and soothing. This is a great one, unlike lion's breath last month where everyone can tell you're doing lion's breath. This breath, called a square breath practice or Vritti Pranayama, no one can tell you're doing it. So it's a great stealth breath practice to do if you have to wait at the doctor's office or somewhere else. This I feel you can do seated, standing, lying down, even in a walking meditation. And the main thing I want you to keep in mind is that we're going to count breath, we're going to count the length of the breath, but that at no time does it have to be a perfect square. Right? So already set the stage that you do not have to do this as a perfect breath practice. Right? So draw attention to your breath. Right? Just notice the feeling of the breath. And when your next inhale comes around, count to yourself. How long is that inhale? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, when the next exhale comes around, how long is the exhale? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is just information, so don't judge it. Just note, inhale and exhale. And then consider how to make them even, right? So usually that takes a combination of things. We slow our exhale down even more. And we speed the inhale up just a little bit. So play with that till it feels like the inhale and the exhale are pretty even, right? Even enough. Now we're going to add the other two sides of the square. So you're going to inhale, that even inhale, and at the top of that inhale, you're going to pause. Only pause as long as the inhale it was, or only so long as it's comfortable. And then you have your even exhale. And you follow that with an exhale pause. This pause as well, hold it only so long as it's comfortable and no longer than the exhale itself was. And then you're going to continue with this breath. Inhale. Inhale, pause. Exhale. Exhale, pause. And keep following this pattern. Inhaling. Inhaling, pause. Exhale. And exhale, pause. Knowing that this does not have to be perfect. Inhale. Inhale, pause. Exhale. Exhale, pause. Holding these only so long as it's comfortable. If it doesn't seem like it's a perfect square, not worrying about it. And at any point you notice the mind is off thinking again, you just kind of note, oh, that's me thinking again. And then exhale and pause. And look how you're right back in this breath practice. And then you inhale. And you inhale, pause. Without any change, you just say, oh, that's me thinking again. I noticed it. Celebrate that you notice when you're thinking again. And then you exhale. Exhale, pause. And you're right back in the breath. Inhale. Inhale, pause. Until it becomes this cycle where it's just easily going Inhale, inhale, pause. Exhale, exhale, pause. And anytime you wander off, you come right back into the shape. And just following this breath for a little longer. Inhale, inhale, pause. Exhale, exhale, pause. Now after your next exhale, pause comes around, let the breath now settle back. Let it return to your gentle, easy breath. Notice what that is. Notice that difference between this breath and the square breath you were breathing. And now just taking a big breath and maybe reach those arms out. Oh, and thank you for sharing this practice with me. Bye-bye. See you next month.